Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off add you back prompts on Threads. So you just need to get through your app, and I want you to go into your profile to follow me step by step to make it perfectly work. So after you get through your profile, I want you to go into these two lines on the top right corner, then tap on them. Alright, so once you tap on him, there are multiple options right here. I just want you to go to the second one, notifications. Tap on notifications, and here I want you wait. It should be just like that. Sorry, yeah, it should be off. So I want you after that to go to this option, following and followers. Tap on it, and right here you can adjust and customize the settings. Right here you can make the new followers from on to off, and also accepted follow requests to off, and account suggestions, it depends on you, it doesn't matter. So by doing that you are automatically turning off the add you back prompts on Threads. So yeah, and also you can pause all just from here, yeah, just by tapping on this one, and you can choose how much hours that you want to them to, or these notifications to be paused. So that's it guys, this is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video, and thank you so much for watching.